How to work your way into a pistol squat. A pistol squat is a single leg squat that brings your butt all the way down to your heel with a flat foot and back up to the top. So it requires a great deal of mobility and balance and core strength and glute strength. It is a pretty advanced movement. However, you can build your way up into a pistol squat with the use of a bench and with the use of varying resistance bands. So when I got started doing pistol squats, I used a heavy resistance band and I sat onto a bench behind me. I picked a leg, lifted the other leg out to the front to mimic a pistol squat, sit down, and then I pulled myself back up again, trying to squeeze my glute, trying to keep my core tight. So pick a bench, pick a box, and grab a resistance band, pull yourself up, and then sit back under control. Over time, you want to decrease the resistance from your resistance band. So I'm decreasing by about half with this red resistance band. Sit back, stand up. I'm feeling my glute. I'm driving more through my heel than through my forefoot. I'm making sure not to bring my heel off the ground. Sit back, pull, and drive up. From there, once you're done with your resistance bands, you feel like you can confidently get to the ground or get to the bench without resistance. Then you'll drive up. This is a single leg box squat. And then from there, you would remove the bench and start again with your resistance bands. So you'd grab your heaviest resistance band, try to go all the way down to the floor, and then help pull yourself up from the floor. Practice that for a while. Reduce the resistance further, sit down, drive up from the floor. And then after a time, you'll be able to go all the way down, sit back, and drive up from the floor without losing your balance. That is how to do a pistol squat.